unlocking the power of multiple intelligences. Every individual is unique, and so is the way they learn and perceive the world. In 1983, Howard Gardner revolutionized education with his groundbreaking theory of multiple intelligences, challenging the conventional idea of intelligence as a single, measurable quotient. He proposed that intelligence is multifaceted, encompassing various domains where individuals may excel, and this reshaped how we understand learning and human potential. The theory of multiple intelligences suggests that everyone has a blend of different intelligences, such as linguistic, logical-mathematical, spatial, bodily-kinesthetic, musical, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic. Each of these intelligences represents a unique way of processing information and solving problems. This means that being smart isn't limited to acing exams or solving equations. It could also mean excelling in sports, playing an instrument, or connecting deeply with others. One of the most transformative aspects of Gardner's theory is its application in education. By recognizing diverse intelligences, teachers can create learning environments that cater to the strengths of every student. A child who struggles with math but thrives in music or art is no longer labeled as failing, but instead viewed as possessing a different type of intelligence that can be nurtured. In a world that often values standardized testing and conformity, the theory of multiple intelligences reminds us of the beauty of diversity. By embracing our unique strengths and understanding the many ways intelligence can manifest, we can create a more inclusive, compassionate, and innovative society. Linguistic intelligence, also known as word smart, refers to the ability to use language effectively. People with high linguistic intelligence excel in reading, writing, storytelling, and verbal communication. They can articulate thoughts clearly and often have a way with words that captivates others. This type of intelligence is often associated with poets, writers, journalists, and orators. A person with linguistic intelligence might find joy in crafting compelling stories, debating ideas, or learning new languages. They have an innate ability to understand the nuances of language, such as metaphors, analogies, and humor, making their communication rich and engaging. In education, students with linguistic intelligence thrive in activities such as reading, writing essays, and participating in discussions. They often enjoy storytelling sessions, word games, and poetry writing. Teachers can nurture this intelligence by encouraging journaling, debate clubs, or creative writing exercises. Beyond academics, linguistic intelligence is a powerful tool for advocacy, leadership, and influencing change. It reminds us of the importance of words in shaping ideas, connecting people, and inspiring action. Logical mathematical intelligence, or number smart, is the ability to reason, analyze, and think logically. People with this intelligence are skilled at problem solving, understanding patterns, and working with numbers. This intelligence is often associated with mathematicians, scientists, engineers, and computer programmers. These individuals can break down complex problems into manageable steps, using logic and reasoning to find solutions. They are naturally curious and enjoy puzzles, experiments, and data analysis. In classrooms, students with logical mathematical intelligence excel in math and science subjects. They thrive in activities such as solving math problems, conducting experiments, and exploring cause and effect relationships. Teachers can support them with brain teasers, coding challenges, or interactive science projects. Logical mathematical intelligence is critical for innovation and discovery. It drives technological advances, scientific breakthroughs, and systems that keep our world functioning. These individuals remind us of the importance of logic in shaping the future. Spatial intelligence, also called picture smart, is the ability to think in 3 dimensions. People with this intelligence have a keen sense of visualizing, imagining, and creating designs or patterns. This intelligence is often found in architects, artists, graphic designers, and engineers. They can visualize structures, spaces, and abstract concepts with ease, making them excellent at creating blueprints, paintings, or digital renderings. Their imagination allows them to transform ideas into tangible, visual outputs. In schools, students with spatial intelligence excel in visual arts, geometry, and activities like drawing, painting, or creating models. They enjoy using tools like diagrams, maps, and visual organizers to understand and express concepts. Teachers can nurture this intelligence through art projects, design challenges, or 3D model building tasks. Spatial intelligence reminds us of the importance of visualization in innovation. From stunning architectural masterpieces to groundbreaking designs and technology, those with spatial intelligence shape the visual aspects of our world. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence, or body smart, refers to the ability to control physical movements skillfully. People with this intelligence excel in activities requiring coordination, balance, and physical endurance. This intelligence is seen in athletes, dancers, surgeons, and craftspeople. They use their bodies as tools for expression, problem-solving, or creating. For instance, a dancer communicates emotions through movement, while a surgeon's precision can save lives. In educational settings, students with bodily kinesthetic intelligence thrive in hands-on activities, such as sports, drama, or building projects. They often learn best through physical engagement and experiments rather than traditional lectures. Teachers can support them with role-playing, interactive activities, or physical challenges. This intelligence highlights the importance of movement in learning and innovation. It reminds us that physical ability and creativity often go hand in hand, shaping disciplines from the arts to medicine. Musical intelligence, or music smart, is the ability to perceive, create, and interpret sound and rhythm. People with this intelligence have a natural affinity for melody, harmony, and tempo. This intelligence is most prominent in musicians, composers, and conductors, but it is also seen in people who easily recognize patterns in sound. These individuals may excel at remembering tunes, creating music, or using music to express emotions. In educational settings, students with musical intelligence thrive when learning instruments, singing, or engaging in rhythm-based activities. Educators can integrate music into other subjects, such as creating math songs or using sound cues to remember key ideas. Musical intelligence highlights how sound and rhythm connect people universally, fostering creativity and emotional expression. Interpersonal intelligence, or people smart, refers to the ability to understand and interact effectively with others. These individuals excel in social settings, where communication and collaboration are key. People with strong interpersonal intelligence are often empathetic and skilled at reading emotions, body language, and social cues. They make excellent leaders, counselors, and mediators, as they can navigate group dynamics effortlessly. In classrooms, students with interpersonal intelligence shine in group projects, debates, and peer discussions. They benefit from activities that foster collaboration, such as role-playing and team-based problem-solving. This intelligence celebrates the power of human connection, emphasizing the importance of building relationships and working together to achieve common goals. Intrapersonal intelligence, or self-smart, is the ability to understand one's own emotions, thoughts, and motivations. People with this intelligence are introspective and reflective, often driven by a strong sense of self-awareness. Writers, philosophers, and therapists often exhibit intrapersonal intelligence. They are skilled at self-reflection, goal-setting, and personal growth, thriving in activities that require deep thought and independence. In educational settings, students with intrapersonal intelligence excel in journaling, self-paced learning, or reflective assignments. Encouraging them to set goals or explore their emotions helps them grow academically and personally. This intelligence highlights the importance of understanding oneself, as it forms the foundation for emotional resilience and lifelong learning. Naturalistic intelligence, or nature smart, is the ability to connect deeply with the natural world. These individuals are highly attuned to plants, animals, and ecosystems, often driven by a desire to protect and nurture the environment. Farmers, biologists, and conservationists demonstrate naturalistic intelligence, as do those who enjoy hiking, gardening, or observing wildlife. They excel in activities that involve exploring the outdoors or working closely with nature. In classrooms, students with naturalistic intelligence thrive in lessons about biology, earth science, or environmental conservation. Field trips, gardening projects, and nature-themed experiments further nurture their love for the natural world. This intelligence reminds us of the importance of preserving our planet, fostering a sense of responsibility toward the environment. The theory of multiple intelligences has reshaped how we think about learning, teaching, and personal growth. It highlights the beauty of diversity, reminding us that intelligence isn't confined to academic achievements or standardized tests. Each of us has a unique combination of intelligences that defines how we interact with the world, solve problems, and express creativity. Understanding and embracing multiple intelligences allow us to appreciate not only our own strengths, but also the strengths of those around us. When we see someone excel in art, music, or teamwork, we recognize the value they bring to the world. Similarly, when we reflect on our own skills and passions, we can channel them into areas where we can thrive and contribute meaningfully. As educators, parents, or lifelong learners, incorporating the principles of multiple intelligences into our daily lives ensures that we nurture the whole person, not just their academic abilities, but their emotional, creative, and practical strengths as well. It's about celebrating the many ways we can be smart. Let this journey inspire you to discover your own unique intelligences and cultivate a mindset of growth, empathy, and collaboration. Remember, the world thrives not because we are all the same, but because we each bring something special to the table. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of multiple intelligences. Let's continue to embrace the diverse ways people learn and grow, making the world a more inclusive and understanding place for everyone.